Changing the oil in your vehicle is an essential maintenance task. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you do it yourself. First off, you'll want to make sure you have the following tools and materials. Fresh oil. Check your vehicle's manual for the correct type of oil and filter needed. A new oil filter. An oil filter wrench, a socket wrench, an oil pan. A funnel. Gloves, a jack or ramps if needed for your vehicle. First, prepare your vehicle. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine. If necessary, raise your vehicle with a jack and secure it with jack stands or use ramps. Open the hood and remove the oil fill cap. Second, drain the old oil. Place the oil pan under the oil drain plug. Use the socket wrench to loosen the drain plug. Remove the plug by hand and let the oil drain into the pan. This may take several minutes. Third, replace the oil filter. Move the oil pan under the oil filter. Use the oil filter wrench to loosen the oil filter. Hand remove it once it's loose enough. Before installing the new filter, apply a small amount of fresh oil to the new filter's gasket to ensure a proper seal. Install the new filter by hand. Do not over-tighten. Fourth, replace the drain plug. After all the old oil has drained, replace and tighten the drain plug with the socket wrench. Fifth, add new oil. Place a funnel in the oil fill hole. Pour in the new oil, using the amount specified in your vehicle's manual. It's better to add less at first, then check the level with the dipstick and add more if needed. Replace the oil fill cap. Sixth, check oil level. Start the engine and let it run for a minute to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, insert it back, and then pull it out again to check the oil level. It should be between the full and add marks. Add more oil if necessary. Seventh, clean up and dispose of old oil. Properly dispose of the old oil and oil filter at an auto parts store or a recycling center. Tips. Check your vehicle's manual for the correct type of oil and filter needed. Never work on a hot engine. Allow it to cool down before starting this process. Be mindful of the environment. Dispose of the used oil and filter properly. Changing your vehicle's oil by yourself can save money and give you a sense of accomplishment. However, if you're not comfortable performing this task, it's best to take your vehicle to a professional.